Hello guys, welcome back to a new video from Sam Gim YouTube channel. So guys, today we will review we will not review. I forgot that red light, green light we can play only solo. We will just play custom. So guys, and we will also play Rampage New Dawn. So guys, you can see this is my permanent dress up. Okay guys, this is my permanent dress up. So guys, now Shomurup has made the custom and we will go. And guys, please do not forget to like. Yes, and we couldn't release video these days because of Puja holidays. So now because of Puja, so now guys we will receive daily videos. So guys, please like, do not forget to subscribe. And guys, let's now play Shomurup.
Come.
Yes guys, I have come and today
Take everything.
Hey, 1 second, I have not brought Skylar. 1 second, I have not bought Skylar. My favorite Skylar. Wait, let me do my favorite dress up on Skylar. This is my favorite dress up.
Too fast.
Yes, I am doing fast. Where is the dress on? Here.
Do your permanent dress up on Skylar.
Yes, I will do my permanent dress up only. This is this is the permanent dress up I will do. Guys, it looks very cool.
A new custom room is here. The custom room name is Pet Mania.
Yes, I have also seen. And guys, this is Shomurup's permanent dress up, as you can see. So guys, now let us start. And today we will defeat. I will defeat Shomurup. Are go to that side.
Oh, can I start? Come to choke.
Yes. You start. Hey, 1 second.
First to check everything.
Yes. Now you can start.
Okay. You have check everything though?
Yes. Start.
3, 2, 1.
one, let's
I'm
go.
going to take it now.
So guys, Shomurup, sit up. Your voice is coming muffled.
Okay, now.
Now good. Why are you so lazy? I am also sitting up and doing. What will I take on my first round? Let me take Desert. I will defeat him with Desert.
I will take M79 Midnight Mafia.
Oh, you have a Midnight Mafia.
No, I don't have. Can you give me a vest?
I have left here a vest and a helmet, okay?
You're telling lies.
I am not telling lies. And guys, as you can see, my glue wall means when I deploy glue wall, the skin changes because I have beast turn. That's why. So now let's go.
What you take? I take M79.
I took a very secret weapon. This is an M79, no? Are
Why you take this?
this is my secret weapon.
This is a very bad thing.
But this is my style.
I wait for 1 second. My mom here. My mom is not here.
Oh, you had also taken Desert Eagle and you were saying me you have taken M79. No, bre.
Why you have taken turret?
Because I love turret.
Can you give me a gun?
I have left a Desert Eagle here. I will not give
I
you.
don't want I want M79.
I do not have enough money. Or else I had only taken M79.
So let's go only Desert Eagle challenge because I have only Desert Eagle.
Okay, as you wish.
Only Desert Eagle.
Wait.
Leave your all gun.
No, I will not leave my gun. I will use only Desert Eagle. Come. Where are you?
I don't know.
I don't know, huh? Where are you?
Where are you?
Oh, bhai. You said only Desert Eagle.
So we can't take turret.
You said only Desert Eagle, so okay. I will also show you my. Wait 1 second. take a turret. I have done a very good thing.
No, that is a very dangerous thing.
But for me, that is a good thing. Now you come,
For
let
you,
us
so
see.
everything is a good thing.
Let's see, guys, who will win. Do you know the Desert Eagle has very much accuracy. We cannot do a headshot only. If I first do a shot previously, then I cannot do a headshot only. Arre. Oh, but you are eliminated. Good,
I'll
good.
give you a very damage.
No, okay. Now I will now do an only Desert Eagle challenge.
Okay, then I am also taking only Desert Eagle.
I have left all of my guns. I will leave all my guns outside the safe zone.
And I can't believe you.
Wait, guys,
I don't have helmet vest. Can you give me helmet vest?
I have left here an helmet and a vest. Take it. I am now doing pick. Okay,
Pack.
1 second. Let me first leave the M887 here. Then let me doing pick. Let me do pick.
Pack first.
I have done the pick. You will not kill. If you do not kill me, I will also not kill you. Come here.
Arre,
Come.
good.
Done.
Yeah.
You have taken.
No.
No. You are a liar. Here, no. Here, take it. This is what you get for lying.
Okay, now I will not lie. Now you give me away.
No more waste.
Okay, helmet.
Nothing.
Okay, Desert Eagle.
Nothing. I stole nothing. Now I am showing you how to play nicely. Wait.
Guys, today I have got fever. That's why I am loopy.
Wait. How many excuses will you give? I am showing you how to play. This is
Only Desert Eagle though.
no. When did I say only Desert Eagle?
But I have only. Hey, I'm going to that.
You have come to take West, huh? I had known that you will come to take West, so I had deployed mini turrets there.
But I
Take
have
it.
Skylar.
Skylar will no.
Please wait.
Please wait. Okay. Arre. Sitting.
Please.
Here, take one head.
Please.
Okay, please. If you say please, I will wait.
Please. Please, Title, please.
Here, take it.
Please, Title, please.
Third, please.
Please.
No more pleases. Here.
Please, my
Here.
please not food.
Here. I killed you with crossbow. What a loser.
Okay, now I can't play. I can't play. Okay, I am not playing now.
Why?
Because my mother won the phone.
Then what will happen to this custom?
I don't know. I will be going offline. In my hand, I am going offline. Okay, bye. Go. Okay, bye.
Guys, you can see what a cheater Shumrup is.
Bye.
Now I have to cut the whole video.
No. I am in the custom. I told you right.
I knew it. I had missed. Why did I take AWM? I have to go to my sniper settings. Guys, this is my sniper setting. Now let's see. Are
See, I'm killing you.
I had given you 150.
Can we do only AW challenge?
Yes, after this round. Where are you? Oh, there you are. I thought you were here. Oh, I also have Skylar. I forgot I have Skylar.
But my Skylar is level 5.
Mine is level 44. Here, take it. Weird.
Please. I have not enough HP, please.
No, pleases. There is no rules in love and war. What? Why are you escaping so much? See, this is my new tactic. Here. La 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 la.
Why don't you get custom?
I do not know. There is a glitch in Free Fire. Free Fire is glitch fire. You do not know? Okay, now let us do double AWM challenge. Okay.
Only double?
Huh.
Okay, but I don't have helmet vest. Can you see helmet vest?
I have left here an helmet and a vest.
But I don't want damage.
That is not damage. That is new. Bought from store yesterday.
I want a new.
I had given you.
Can we use Desert Eagle?
I have given you a new only. No.
Can we use Desert Eagle?
No.
Only double?
Yes.
Okay, then I'm leaving the Desert Eagle and I had helmet vest. I had buy helmet vest.
You have bought helmet vest.
Yes.
Now let's play. Where are you? Come. Let me kill you. I am a double AWM king.
Yes, I know. But I am a double AW wing.
Wing? What is a wing? Chicken wing. I love chicken wings. Guys,
I have never eat chicken wing.
you have never eaten chicken wings?
Yes, but I had eat chicken manchow soup.
Huh?
I had eaten veg manchow soup.
Manchow soup?
Yes.
Hey, that is not allowed. That is not allowed. Come on ground. That is not allowed.
Only ground. Can you tell me?
That is not allowed. That is cheating.
Okay, then I am coming with the ground. Can we use Skylar?
No.
Man, I can't use Skylar also. What a challenge, Baba.
Okay, you had used Skylar, so I also used. Arey, cheated! But I am a double AWM king.
Why I lose every time?
Because you forgot that I am a double AWM king.
I am like today I am losing, but next time I will win. No.
Guys, who is the most handsome character in Free Fire? Comment now.
Give me a helmet.
No helmet.
Please.
Okay, I have left an helmet and vest here.
And please pack.
Pack. Okay, I will pack it. I am packing.
Now I have taken really double AW. Now I will kill you with double AW and Desert Eagle.
Okay, kill me.
This is a real double A. Now you will see the real double AW. Pack first.
I am packed only. Guys, I am packed.
Don't think. Now you can leave.
I am not packed. I was not packed.
You're back. I see you.
But I. Arey, cheated!
I know about you. Why is Skylar don't kill?
Arey, my cyber setting. What is this? What type of glitch is this? Arey, I am gone. I am left with 2 HP. But please do not kill. That time I let you heal. Please do not kill.
Sorry, bro. Land like us, bro.
I go. Bhai, he is a real cheater.
Sorry, bro. Land like us, bro.
I was not ready only. I thought he had taken double AWM.
I had not taken double AWM. Sorry, bro. Land like us, very, very, bro.
That is Shomudeep's dialogue. Why are you copying him? Copycat?
Because I had make it my logo. Did you know we will get a free name changing card
Why? How?
in another server that is given in Tupuya. We have to do Tupuya and we will get.
What will we do with name changing card?
I have.
Nobody has come. Here, take it. What did you think? I will take another double AWM. If I took double AWM one more time, you had gone push. But now you will get pish. Where are
You
you?
know we are going to Darjeeling.
Go to Darjeeling, and I will tell the Yetis there to kill you.
Hey, when I will go to Darjeeling, can you help me?
By how?
Can you tell me? I will call you one time. You can tell me that how many days that the Booyah Party event will be there.
I will never tell. I want you not to get magic cube.
Diwali event time I will be there. I am telling you about Booyah Day.
Booyah.
Booyah. After this there will Booyah come. Booyah.
Where are you? Are you? Oh, I know where you are. I will try to kill you.
He's right. Why are you not trying? Kill me.
Here. I am not trying. Here, take it. Arey! Why did I come up?
Because that is your biggest mistake.
Okay, why? What did you defeat me with MP40 and with MP40 and MI7?
With only MP40 and AWM.
Not AWM. You had MI7. Do you think I am? Okay, do not use turrets this round. Okay.
Okay, we will not use turrets. Okay. Hello.
I will now prove that gun skins do not matter. I will defeat you with only no gun skin MP40. And you have.
Can you give me a jetpack shoe?
No, I cannot. You are so rich, but you do not have a jetpack shoe.
I am not rich. I am garib. हम गरीब हैं.
Wait. Let me go to my normal settings. Oh, that is why I was not able to play. I had gone to my sniper settings.
Hey, did you know that hip hop content will be also there in Diwali VC?
I do not want hip hop, but I think one thing. I think that Garina. Will you go please away from your mother? She is calling, but that is recording in my video.
Okay, I'm going to that too, but you don't kill me, please.
Okay.
Guys, did you know we are going to Gangtok?
You had sent Darjeeling right now? Arey, you are killing and I will not kill here. Arey, I had given you so much damage. Only with 60.
I used turret.
You used turret, that's why. I will now take.
I do not use turrets. I had not turrets only. I told him like.
Okay, now let us see who wins this round.
Like this round we can take turrets.
Yes, we can take turret.
Okay. Guys, I am telling you a thing. That is follow Hari Haribol.
What? Oh, I have taken.
No, guys, I am telling you. Follow Hari Haribol.
Do not do disturb. Wait.
Hey, did you know what is the meaning of follow Hari Haribol?
I do not know and I do not want to know.
I am telling you, that is it is a Bengali language.
Oh, and I am a Bengali and I do not know Bengali language. Nubre?
Yes, you don't know. You don't know the spelling of Bengali only.
What? Oh, bhai, thank you for giving me a jetpack shoe. Damaged jetpack shoe. How dare you give me a damaged jetpack shoe?
My jetpack was damaged.
My jumping shoe has gone. Arey bhai, glitch fire. Where are you? I cannot see you only. Oh, there you are.
Where are you?
In the heaven.
What is the meaning of heaven?
There.
What is the meaning of heaven? I don't know why I can't use this.
Arey.
But I will 3 down, but I don't lose in 0. You can't lose me in 0.
I can lose in 0. Today my mood was good, so I let you win in 0. So I let you win in 3 rounds. So guys,
If you have custom, let me win in 0. Then I will know you.
know that I can. No, I do not have custom. And the next custom we will do a random custom, guys.
Yes. So Baban is online.
Let me call Baban. Where is Baban? Baban is not online.
So can we play a rank game?
We can play, but in another video. So guys, I am closing this video here. Do not forget to watch the other video I will release. So guys, meeting you in the next video. For until that, goodbye.